Step 7 in the home selling process is the removal of contingencies. So this is a big day. This is the point of the process where the buyer is going to say, hey, we've done all of our inspections, we've done our appraisal, we've done everything that we need to do. We've completed all of our investigations, we've reviewed all your disclosures, everything, and we are ready to move forward. So when they sign this little magical one-page contingency removal form, what happens at that point is their deposit becomes non-refundable. So that deposit that they put in at the beginning of the transaction, that becomes non-refundable for them. So if they back out of this transaction after removing contingencies, that's non-refundable and you're entitled to keep that deposit. Couple other things that happen if you have been considering when do I finalize my move, or when do I lock up the moving truck or put my deposit down if I'm gonna go rent something, this is the point you do it. Because the probability of the buyer walking once their deposit becomes non-refundable is pretty slim. So you're in good shape. This is the time to kind of finalize those moving plans. This is also the time where if there were any agreed upon repairs, so whether that be repairs that came up during the buyer's inspection, or if we had agreed to a pest clearance in the original offer, this is the point we're gonna have those things done. We don't like to do them before this point because if the buyer backs out, we don't wanna have spent money on things we didn't have to. So now that the buyer has said they're moving forward, they've made their deposit non-refundable, now is when we get all of those repairs done. So if there is any of those, our team will connect with you, make sure that we get all of that stuff done. But this is a big day. This is the time to finalize the move. This is the time to get excited. We are almost there. So again, I just wanna say, as the owner here at Whissel Realty Group, I wanna thank you for the opportunity to be a part of this process. We're almost there. We are rounding third base at this point. So thank you again for letting us be a part of it. And you just completed step 7 of the home selling process.